Hello and welcome. In this video, we will look at how scans are imported into an ImplaStation project using the Scan Manager. Scan Manager helps load several scans at once and prepare them before adding to the project. It's found in the menu bar at the top of the interface. Clicking brings up a window where the jaw for surgical guide planning is chosen, upper, lower, or both. This happens only once per project. The choice stays editable later, right inside Scan Manager. Next come the scans themselves. ImplaStation's built-in File Explorer, available in Settings, makes it easy to pick files from different folders at once. Holding Control adds files to the selection one at a time, while Shift grabs everything between 2 clicks in one go. Confirming the selection with Open brings up the Scan Manager window, where the scans get prepared before they're loaded into the project. Each scan can be configured individually: name, color, jaw type, import position. Some of these are already filled in automatically based on the scan itself, but everyone can still be adjusted by hand. The jaw for surgical guide planning, chosen in the first step, can also be changed here. Add Scan brings in another file. Copy duplicates an existing scan instead of starting over. A click on a scan's link icon assigns it to a group. If planning was set for a single jaw, one group is all there is. With both jaws selected, 2 independent groups become available. Clicking the icon again cycles its color, and matching colors mean the same group. Once everything's set, Apply carries the scans into the project. If an alignment method was chosen, alignment runs right away. Check the results and make adjustment if needed. For example, fine-tuning. Deeper and shallower, nudge the scan's position in small steps for that last bit of precision, and reset undoes it all, back to the original aligned position. Confirm results. Every imported scan ends up in the STL list, and nothing here is locked in. Alignment, grouping, color, all of it stays open to change. Scans can also be tucked away when they're not needed. A shift click on the visibility icon hides one and sends it into the archive. Opening the archive shows everything that's been put aside, and the same shift click brings a scan straight back into the main list. Grouping. Grouping defines how scans relate to each other. Let's look at a few scenarios. Scenario 1. Planning is set for one jaw, the lower. 2 files come in: a mandibular scan and an edentulous maxillary one. The pair is already grouped. The mandibular is reference and the upper one linked to it. Apply brings both into the project, and alignment runs for the lower jaw. In the end, it's aligned to the DICOM data, while the upper one simply follows along, keeping the occlusal relationship they were captured in. Scenario 2. This time, planning is set for both jaws. Scans are loaded, and both get recognized and set to auto-align on their own, lining up with their own side of the DICOM data instead of following each other. Apply runs 2 alignments back-to-back. Both end up matched straight to the anatomy, independently. Scenario 3. Now, what happens when several scans come in for just one jaw? There's no automatic way to determine which one should align with the DICOM data, so that choice is made manually. One scan is set as the reference and switched to auto-align, while the rest are linked to it and simply follow. Apply and confirm complete the alignment, same as before. One aligns, and the rest come along with it. Scenario 4. Let's look at creating 2 groups of scans. One for the upper jaw, one for the lower. With the scans loaded, a reference is picked for each jaw. One scan for the upper, one for the lower. Everything else is linked into the matching group, each group marked by its own icon color. Two groups form, each anchored by its own reference, upper and lower, independently.